Hi guys, I'm Nina and welcome to my channel. In this video, Ariana and I will be showing you how to work with gold leaf, because I've been asked a lot about it on Instagram. The gold leaf I'm using I bought in Russia, but it's made in Hungary. But right now I'm waiting for a big package of gold and silver leaf from China, and they're 37 times cheaper, which means I will never go to the store and buy them again. I'm totally in love with this material. Look how incredibly beautiful it shines in the sun. The leaf is extremely fragile, even though it's metal. Moreover, it sticks to everything. If your hands are just a tiny bit sweaty or dirty, it will stick to your fingers and you might ruin your drawing or the leaf. This is why, if you know you're clumsy, get yourself a pair of textile gloves. I don't have any gloves, and I must admit it's pretty risky. I'm going to decorate these white wavy lines on Ariana's blazer. We need a glue to make it stick to the paper. The glue is actually called size. My size is called Love to Art, and it says on the bottle size 4 gold leaf. So, as you can see, you need a special glue for this. The one you might have at your home is probably not the right one. I'm applying the size using a paintbrush. I'm just dipping it into the bottle and applying it on the paper. You need to be careful here because the size is transparent and it may be super hard to see if it's on the paper. And in 2 seconds you will see how light, thin and fragile the gold leaf is. There is a difference between the materials you're applying the size on, because you need to wait till the size gets tacky and then apply the leaf. It's about 2-3 minutes if it's paper, but if it's canvas, for example, it can be up to 10 minutes. So now it's time to apply the leaf, and I'm tearing off a little piece and putting it on the size. It's very nice to use a flat paintbrush to stamp on the leaf to make sure everything is in its place. Be really careful, because once you got the size on your fingers, don't touch the leaf, don't touch the drawing. There is a big chance to ruin something there. So while the left part of the blazer is getting dried, I'm doing the same with the right one. When everything is dried, I'm taking a soft paintbrush and removing the pieces that didn't stick. Don't throw away these leftovers, because you can use them again. Take a little jar and keep them inside. So this is it. Look how gorgeous my Ariana is looking now. I'm not going to fixate the leaf on this drawing, but if it was canvas, I would have to do it. There's a special lacquer for gold leaf. It's resin based and it's called shellac. And it has nothing to do with nails and nail products. Give this video a thumb up if you liked it, subscribe to see more videos, and thank you for watching. Bye!